Let's make some cast iron pork chops. They are so good, so easy. I hope you give them a try.
Using cast iron, you can make perfectly tender, juicy, and absolutely delicious pork chops right at home. So I'm starting with about 1-inch thick pork chops. I'm gonna season those on both sides with some sea salt and black pepper. Just get that liberally seasoned. You can press it in with your hand just to make sure that everything's covered. I've got my pan heated over medium-high heat, and then I'll add in some avocado oil. Just make sure that spreads all across the bottom of the pan. Put your pork chops right into that heated pan and listen to them sizzle for just a few minutes. I cook them about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Flip them over and let them cook again. Look at that brown coloring. It is so good. Then I took those to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's just about to the temperature that they are done. Then I'm gonna add in some butter, let that melt in the pan all over the bottom. And then next I'm gonna add in some fresh thyme. The fresh thyme will add so much flavor to these pork chops. And we do this just before they're done, just so that those spices can cook a little bit, and then it'll add so much flavor to the pork chops. So what you do is just drop those fresh thyme leaves in there. I like to just kind of move the pork chops around a little bit, flip them over and make sure both sides get into that seasoning. And then just before they're done, I'll tip the pan to the side, take a spoon and just drizzle some of that butter all over the tops of those pork chops, just like this, to make sure that they all get some of that flavoring. It is so delicious. The flavor in these pork chops is absolutely amazing. And then you'll just let those pork chops rest for like about 10 minutes before you slice into them. They will be tender, juicy, and delicious. Don't forget those pan juices and all that flavoring. Find the full details at feedingyourfam.com. Enjoy!